welcome to ORG Cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Skoda Octavia, a model that continues to set benchmarks in the family car segment. Building upon its rich heritage, the latest Octavia offers a harmonious blend of style, performance, and practicality. Design and exterior. The 2025 Octavia showcases a refined design that exudes sophistication. Up front, the signature butterfly grille receives a sleek blacked-out treatment, flanked by updated LED headlights that feature intricate detailing. The aggressively styled front bumper, adorned with sharp creases and lines, enhances its sporty appeal. From the side, the lowered ride height and 19-inch alloy wheels provide a planted stance, underscoring its performance credentials. At the rear, split LED tail lamps and a dynamic bumper design complete the striking aesthetic. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that balances sportiness with comfort. The front sports seats, featuring substantial bolstering, are designed to keep occupants secure during spirited drives. The dashboard is dominated by a new 13-inch touchscreen infotainment system, offering intuitive menu layouts and swift responses. This system is complemented by a 10-inch driver's display and a heads-up display, ensuring that all vital information is within easy reach. Convenience features abound, including multi-zone climate control, powered front seats, ambient lighting, and a 15-watt wireless phone charger with a cooling function. Performance and handling. Under the hood, the Octavia VRS is powered by a 2.0-liter, four-cylinder turbocharged engine that produces 261 bhp and 370 Nm of torque. This power plant propels the car from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 6.4 seconds, with a top speed of 155 miles per hour. The engine is paired with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission, delivering smooth and precise gear changes. The suspension sits 15 mm lower than a regular Octavia, striking a balance between body control and ride comfort. The new twin sports exhaust adds a fruity note to the driving experience, enhancing the car's sporty character. Practicality and space. Despite its performance orientation, the Octavia VRS doesn't compromise on practicality. The cabin offers ample space for passengers, with plenty of room in all directions. Being a Skoda, the boot is generously sized, offering 600 liters of space in the hatch and 640 liters in the estate version. Folding the rear seats down transforms the cargo area into a van-like space, accommodating larger items with ease. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern for Skoda, and the Octavia VRS is equipped with a comprehensive suite of features. Highlights include up to 10 airbags, electronic stability control, ESP, a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, driver drowsiness detection, and advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS. These features work in harmony to provide a secure driving environment for all occupants. Driving experience. On the road, the Octavia VRS delivers an engaging driving experience. The steering is precise, offering good feedback to the driver. The brakes are nicely modulated, providing confidence during spirited driving. The suspension setup ensures a comfortable ride, even on bumpy roads, while maintaining composure during dynamic maneuvers. The engine and gearbox work seamlessly together, delivering power smoothly and efficiently. Conclusion. In summary, the 2025 Skoda Octavia DSG is a compelling choice for those seeking a practical family car that doesn't skimp on performance or style. It offers a well-rounded package that caters to both driving enthusiasts and families alike. With its blend of sporty design, advanced technology, robust performance, and practical features, the Octavia DSG continues to uphold Skoda's reputation for delivering vehicles that offer exceptional value and versatility. Thank you for joining us on this overview of the 2025 Skoda Octavia DSG. Stay tuned to ORG Cars for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest automotive offerings.